HVAC people!
All right, so we got a new cooling coil. I'm not sure what is going on with this one. Just know it's not cooling. Let's see if we can get some footage. What's wrong with the unit?
It's not cooling properly.
Okay.
No, especially up there. It's up there, it's for the mania, and it's not getting cooler.
Okay.
You know, it's not cooling properly.
All right, what, thermostat?
Thermostat is upstairs.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
All right, I can follow you?
Yeah, fine.
All right, so you're 77. You got it set for 75?
75. I really want to put in 77.
Okay. No, that's the temperature in
Oh,
here.
yeah, 77.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna take a look up here.
Okay, go ahead.
Zone system. Like 410A coil. Let's take a look at the filter. Right there. Alright, so it's really dirty. Hear me, sir? How often do you change the filter? Okay, so you changed this 6 months ago, or?
Yeah, I think 6 months ago.
Okay, you need a new one. Need to change it. When did you change that one?
Yeah, I think not rather 6 months. I think probably 4 months ago.
About 4 months ago?
Yeah.
Okay. We need, it's a lot of dirt on there, so you might want to change it.
Okay.
That's good.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
All right, I need to go to the outside.
Okay, all right. Yeah. You can go from here. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, go outside. All the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
sometimes you get the helicopter, they just hover over right behind you. And from their vantage point, it really don't do them any good because they can't see anything. But they just get right behind you. Don't say anything. Don't ask no questions. They're just right behind you. If I turn around, I gotta say excuse me. And then they hover somewhere else. Or right directly behind me. So it's low on refrigerant.
Oh, okay. How long this machine lasts? It's brand new.
Try to get at least 20 years out of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good then.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because
that's why I say that's the best. So.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
The manufacturers say anywhere between maybe 12 and 20 years.
20 years. Okay.
So sometimes it lasts a lot longer, but
okay.
if you can get 20 years out of it, you're doing good.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because I came here with it's a brand new, so
yeah.
I want to figure out that it's 6 years over here. So.
Yeah, this right here is 2015.
Yeah.
So it's 6 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, January 2015.
Mm-hmm. This is yeah. So I guess, like you're saying, you might take me for what?
Yeah.
That should cost a lot.
The way it's good to do it. I have a maintenance on it too now. Like once a year in the spring before the summer, and in the fall before the winter. So you can get more longevity out of it.
Oh yeah?
Because you never do anything to it and don't maintain it or do a maintenance on it. You can't expect to get the
20 years.
20 years, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But it's just like a car. So
it's like a car. Okay.
Even you, every now and then you come outside and wash the hose because when they cut the grass, when that span comes on, it suck up all the dirt goes through here.
Oh, okay. So I can wash it with water, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah. You just wash it with water, turn it off right here.
Oh, okay.
And spray it with a water hose.
Oh.
You know,
okay.
That's a maintenance on it.
Oh, okay.
That's not a complete maintenance,
no, but no, yeah.
But it'll help it out.
Yeah, help it a bit, yeah.
Yeah. But sometimes they get real dirty and cause a lot of problems.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Just take the fuse off and then spray it with water.
Yeah. Just on the safe side. You don't really have to turn it on. You can just turn it off.
Inside?
In the inside.
Okay.
But you really want to be safe.
With this?
Turn it off right here.
Oh, okay.
But you can turn it off on the inside, make sure it don't turn on.
Oh, okay.
And but you will still have power right here.
Oh, okay.
Turn this off, no power.
No power.
Can't get electrocuted.
Yeah.
Excuse me. All right. So I'm gonna let that stabilize. I'll let that marinate for a minute. I got a serious helicopter right here. So I told him how much I charge for a leak search. And he like, no, no, no. So anyway, he insisted I just charge it up for him, which is cool. Well, I told him it's a sealed system, so it should leak out again. But I had him sign my paper. He fully aware. So I'm not gonna do a leak search for free. You know. Sometimes we do them leak search. I can take my electronic leak detector up there, and stick it in the condensate drain line if it go off or something like that. But especially with them plenum coils, and they got pookie all around the top. Sometimes it can be tough trying to get into them coils. This is like 150 degrees in that attic, so no, I'm not doing it for free. So I mean, I charge it up all day for you if that's what you want to do. But I let them know that she'll do a leak search, so I say this fish can last. I have about 90 something, so it's probably a slow leak, but it can last a couple of days. It can last a year. I don't know, but we're gonna do what the customer wants. Well, I say don't mind me one way or the other. I can get you going for the night if that's what you need. We're gonna do exactly what the customer wants done. We're gonna give recommendations, but we can't force them to do anything. Like I say, he kind of helicopter too, so he watching my every move. So, but anyway, I don't mind showing them exactly how much. I always pretty much weigh in my refrigerant, so they can see exactly what I'm weighing in. So that's what we got. It's a 49, so it's probably a 4-ton condenser unit. So 4-ton, probably about 90 some degrees out here. So we're looking at 138 over 355, about 10-11 degrees subcooling. Cooling right here. About 10 degrees subcooling. Got about 88. 49. About 12 degrees subcooling. 88. Pressure should be about 133 over 295. Somewhere in that area, 133 over 295. So we're gonna go pressures on here. They got a plenum coil up there. I'm not 100% sure if it got a TXV, but we can tell right here. Pull that if it equalized real quick. It's a piston. That's a TXV. See how long it's taking. That's a TXV. We're gonna charge it by the pressures on the on this chart right here. We're gonna go by pressures. So I'm pretty much dead on. Instead of subcooling, that's a mismatched coil. We're going by pressures. Alright, so I pretty much got it dialed in where I want it. We're gonna leave it at 136 and 308. 47 saturation on the coil up there. Superheat 27. Subcooling 3 degrees. Like I said, we ain't gonna worry about that too tough. It's a mismatched coil. It's a plenty coil. It's a ring unit. I think it's an all-star coil. But yeah, and then that filter needs to be changed also. He claimed he changed it 4 months ago. But I know a 4-month filter when I see one. Especially they don't have any pets. It's pretty clean in the house. That's about a year or two worth of dirt. So. Alright, so as you can see, I left that unit. I went by the pressures instead of the subcooling. Because that's a mismatched unit. And sometimes, despite what anybody says, you can't go by the book on everything. Sometimes you just got to use your feel of experience and just use your judgment on some of these systems. And the more you get experience, the more you'll know what a system should be doing, or what it should not be doing. And sometimes you just got to use, I ain't gonna say common sense, but you got to use your judgment on some of these calls. Everything you just can't mathematically the book doesn't work on everything. I mean, with that being said, a lot of time when they test these conditions and temperatures and stuff in the lab and pressures, they ideal situations. They don't take in effect of a real world situation on day to day. May have some things going on, inside the house that will affect certain things. So you guys use your own judgment sometimes. Like that pressure temperature chart, I'm sure it's for a ring coil, and that's a plenum coil. That's probably for a box coil. I'm not sure, slab coil. I'm not sure, but it's cooling well. I think it was like 78 when I got there, and the temperature already lowered by 2 degrees. So they should be good. All right.